Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a beautiful, elegant collection of short length kurti designs, or you can say hand embroidered tops that could be exquisitely, beautifully paired with along your plazos, denims, and different type of jeans or pants. So in order to give a very stylized ethnic western look, I have shared this whole video collection of short dresses, or you can also say them that these are peplum kurtis. So all of these names could be very well along with this whole entire collection. The basic purpose of sharing different color design ideas along with beautiful hand art is shown in this video, but the basic purpose is to share some lightweight and more attractive and trending colors. That is mostly a wide variety of designs is onto white, off-white, and light color tone family because summer is in its full swing and light colors are soft, lightweight, and breathable at the same time. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful trendy ideas. And not only the ideas, you can also share your views, opinions about what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos in the comment section. Leave the comments below so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many as other devices because subscribers are very important, guys. And with your love and support, we can only continue to grow. So thank you so much for watching my video and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care and keep supporting us. And if you haven't got the best design of your choice, then you can explore my channel, onto which I have shared thousands of videos along with millions of design ideas.